10 do-it-yourself hacks that will save you time, money, and frustration. My name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Most DIY projects don't fail because of skill. They fail because people don't know these simple hacks. Welcome back to Conley's Home Improvement, where we turn everyday homeowners into confident do-it-yourselfers. Today, I'm sharing 10 cheap do-it-yourself hacks I've learned over 40 plus years. These will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Do-it-yourself home improvement doesn't always have to be hard, time-consuming, or expensive. After 40 plus years of hands-on experience, I've learned that sometimes the smartest move isn't working harder. These 10 cheap do-it-yourself hacks are simple, practical, and proven to make your projects faster, cleaner, and more professional looking. The 10 cheap do-it-yourself hacks are: Hack 1, tape for perfect caulk lines. Hack 2, magnetized screwdriver. Hack 3, foil paint tray. Hack 4, rubber band stripped screws. Hack 5, toothpaste hole fix. Hack 6, phone level. Hack 7, soap on screws. Hack 8, pool noodle safety. Hack 9, vinegar brush cleaning. And Hack 10, binder clips for cords. Hack 1, tape for perfect caulk lines. Use painter's tape for perfect caulk lines. Want clean professional caulk lines? Apply painter's tape on both sides of the seam before caulking. Smooth it out, then peel the tape away while the caulk is still wet. And the results will be razor sharp lines every time. The second hack is to magnetize a screwdriver. Magnetize your screwdriver. Tired of dropping screws? Rub a magnet along your screwdriver shaft for 20 to 30 seconds. Rub a magnet along your screwdriver shaft for 20 to 30 seconds. Now your screws stay put, especially useful overhead or in tight spaces. The third hack is to put foil on the paint tray. Wrap your paint tray with foil. Skip the cleanup mess. Line your paint tray with aluminum foil before pouring paint. And when you're done, just peel it off and toss it. The fourth hack is using a rubber band on stripped screws. Use a rubber band for stripped screws. Stripped screw ruining your project? Place a rubber band between the screwdriver and the screw head, and it adds grip and often gets the screw out on the first try. The fifth hack is the toothpaste hole fix. Use toothpaste to fill small nail holes. No spackle? No problem. Use white toothpaste to fill small nail holes in walls. This hack is a perfect quick fix before guests arrive or moving out. The sixth hack is the phone level. Use a level app on your phone. No level handy? Most smartphones have a built-in level tool. The phone level app is great for hanging pictures, shelves, or checking alignment on the fly. The seventh hack is soap on screws. Use soap on screws for easier driving. Driving screws into wood can be tough. Rub the screw threads on a bar of soap first. This helps to reduce friction and prevents wood splitting. The eighth hack is pool noodle safety. Use a pool noodle for tool safety. Protect your tools and yourself. Slice a pool noodle and place it over sharp edges or garage walls. Using pool noodles are great for preventing dents, scratches, and injuries. The ninth hack is vinegar brush cleaning. Vinegar to remove paint from brushes. Vinegar to remove paint from brushes. Soak them in hot vinegar for 20 to 30 minutes. This softens paint and brings brushes back to life. The 10th hack is binder clips for cords. Use binder clips for cord management. Messy cords slow you down. Use binder clips to organize and hold cords in place. This hack is simple, cheap, and effective. DIY isn't just about tools. It's about technique, creativity, and smart shortcuts. These cheat hacks are the kind of tricks you pick up over years of hands-on work, the same way I did starting back in that 1970s shop class. At Conley's Home Improvement, it's always been about doing the job right, but also doing it efficiently. The more you build, the more you realize small hacks can make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow Conley's Home Improvement for more real-world, do-it-yourself knowledge. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. 10 do-it-yourself hacks that will save you time, money, and frustration.